Come on, let's go inside. It's all clear. Okay, we're safe. I think it's time for some answers. To make a long story short, there's an awful battle between aliens over the Earth, the result of which extinguished the sun. All that's left now on Earth is us robots. Is that really all you know? Basically. Well, what else can you tell me? I can tell you that you don't need to ask so many questions. Hardly anyone here knows all the answers. I know basically nothing. Get out of here, now, for your own good. Who are you and where'd you come from? Wait, hold on, I mean you no trouble, but I'm in serious danger. What do you mean by that? I'm an escaped prisoner from grief. What is grief? Grief is the notorious alien prison in space. Oh, great. It's too late. A guard's coming. Surrender. Never. What do we do with him now? We've got to kill him now. He's an elite alien guard. They're just gonna send more after us if we kill him. Let's go. Now. Let's get going. Yield or die. Should have let us go. Where's John? Who's John? Hands up. Y'all are coming with me. I really don't like how this looks.